Found a really nice spot of wild strawberries. So good. So it's a pretty easy wild edible to identify. Hairy stem, 3 leaves. Make some white flowers. And make some jam. There you go. Lots here. This is the flower with 5 petals. So it has the fruits and the flowers on the plant at the same time. Bit of a bonus here, some pineapple weed. Pineapple weed just because you squeeze the flowers and it's got this really distinct odor of pineapple. I'll use it, I'll make some tea with it. Tea tastes just like chamomile. There's a little bit of a bigger plant. Usually don't go as big. They grow like on old roads or like pathways. One hour of gathering. Here's our harvest for 2 people. So it's not too bad. It's a painstaking job to gather these, but they're so delicious. And bonus, we got a bit of pineapple weed for our teas. Woo! So I'm gonna talk about the strawberry here with this book, just for get some theory. Wild Berries of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba by Fiona Hammersley Chambers and Amanda Karst. So, wild strawberries, Fragaria spp. Highly edible. Seasoned flowers made August. Gathered them in June, end of June. Description: low creeping perennials with long slender runners, stolons. Leaves green, often turning red in fall, 5 to 10 centimeters across, with 3 sharply toothed leaflets. Flowers white, 5 petaled, 1.5 to 2 centimeters across. Usually several per stem, forming small, loose clusters, found in open woods and meadows across the prairies. I also like this book, Wild Edibles by Sergei Boutenko. This one's got less plants, but more description on each plant. A bit more information. So, wild strawberries, Fragaria spp. So, caution, please note that chemical changes occur in strawberry leaves during the wilting process that can cause stomach upset. Eating fresh tender leaves or leaves that have been fully dried will prevent mishap. So, description. Uses: the red berries are delicious and can be eaten in a plethora of different ways. Smoothies, salads, vitamin A, C, K as well as sulfur, calcium, potassium, and iron. ID trick: wild strawberries are easily recognized because they look like miniature version of berries we are familiar with. Because of their size, they can be quite a pain to harvest, but I wouldn't trade 100 conventional strawberries for a single wild berry. Don't bother collecting them for a pie, eat them on the spot, like delicious dessert that they are. So the other plant that I gathered was pineapple weed. It's also in this book. Pineapple weed or wild chamomile. Matricaria matricarioides. So pineapple weed is absolutely safe to eat. Entire plant's edible, sweet and fruity. Description: pineapple weed has tall, slender stems with an alternate leaf pattern. Leaves are made up of many small leaflets. Flowers look like daisy flower heads. Use leaves and flowers as herbs to season recipes or steep in boiling water for tea. So it's known as a calming herb. It has been used to calm anxiety, headaches, stomach cramps, and irritable bowel syndrome. That's Schofield, 2003. So this is what it looks like. A few pictures. ID trick. The little seed heads look like tiny pineapples. Pineapple weed smells very sweet like traditional chamomile. Let's see what Peterson Field Guide says about the pineapple weed. So, pineapple weed, Matricaria matricarioides. A low inconspicuous weed somewhat resembling wild chamomile, but leafier and flowers lacking the white rays. The finely cut leaves and greenish yellow flower heads smell of pineapple when crushed. 6 to 8 inches, so 15 to 45 centimeters, were found roadsides, waste places, southern Canada, south to Montana, flowers June to October. Use tea. The fresh or dried flowers make a pale golden pineapple scented tea when steeped in hot water. Excellent summer. Here's the drawing. These are the flowers. Pineapple weed. So it's always good to have a few different books just to see what different books say and if there's a caution or whatnot. Also like Foraging New England. Also have Forager's Harvest by Samuel Thayer. So always make sure you know what plant it is, and ideally get somebody else that knows the plant to explain it to you and show it to you. Don't just go and try to identify a plant with this video only. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one and be safe.